Greetings, citations. My name is DrapPep. Welcome back to another episode of JAD. Just another day. So I know it looks like it's late at night, but it's actually just 5. It's like that because it's raining outside. And not just raining, it's hailing outside. You guys see this. It looks like it's starting to die down a little bit, but let's take it over here. It's flooded. I'm actually tempted to take you guys out front there because it's even worse, like, outside. Not just back here, but, like, over there more. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Let's go look at that. Come on. Watch this. Huh? Look at that. It's like... there's so much water alongside the road. Oh. So all this water is just building up. Alright, it's just getting collected. It all comes down this direction. It just builds up right over here. But this is pretty tamed. Like there's more worse areas than this. This is pretty okay. Let me take you to an even worse location. I just have to first cross this. There's a hole at the back of my heel there. Like when I missed the step there, my left foot went into the puddle. All that water gushed into the back of my shoe. Perfect. It's great stuff. It wasn't even raining that long. It was like a short burst of like heavy rain, and this happens. Are you serious? It's already flooded through here, and it wasn't even raining for that long. So bad. That guy wants to go through, but like it's all flooded through there. What are you gonna do? You're risking it. Okay, you're risking it. Let's see how far you get. I guess the water's not too bad to where like the bike can make it, but still, if a car comes through too fast, he's gonna get sprayed. Is it bad that I kind of want a car to go through right now? Like right at this very moment? Please don't. Yes, do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, he was courteous about it. Oh, that's kind of cool. He like moved real slow. He did not care. He totally got him.